at Fashion Fantasy. My name is Siddhi. So I'm so sorry that I have not posted videos for the last 2 weeks. I was super busy. I was out of town for Holi celebration, and then came my birthday and my bestie's birthday. So yeah. Now this video is a little different from our regular clothing video. This is more of an unboxing video. However, I have already unboxed my Sugar Cosmetics box. Yoo-hoo! So this purchase was more like a gift to myself for my birthday, and I ordered their lipstick variant Smudge Me Not, and this is the mini variant. It comes in this beautiful packaging. Now once you open them, you get 4 mini liquid lipstick shades, and they come in these very beautiful case. So the liquid lipstick is more like so. It is so small and cute. So there are a couple of things before we get into the swatches. First and foremost, I not only got the case, but I also got this really cute makeup pouch. Thank you, Sugar Cosmetics, for the beautiful gift. Also, I got a liquid sample, the same liquid variant, a sample. There were 4 options to choose from. So this is the sample piece that I got. Now, Sugar Cosmetics is an Indian brand, and it is 100% vegan, cruelty-free products. Thirdly, this liquid is a one-stroke application, highly pigmented and no sheer colors whatsoever. Fourthly, if you are not eating anything, or if you make sure that the food particle does not touch your lip, then the lipstick lasts for a good 7 to 8 hours, and it will fade very slightly and very evenly. So that's the beautiful part. In case if you are eating oily food, then the lipstick fades from the inner part of the lips, which you can reapply after every meal, and you are good to go. Lastly, the comfort level that I feel with the lipstick on is amazing. So I am not a person who moisturizes my lips, but this lipstick I wore twice before, and I wore for the entire day, and it was just beautiful. It was so comfortable, non-drying, and it was an amazing feeling. So lastly, the applicator. If you get into the application aspect, it is the doe foot applicator, which is very good, nicely designed, so that the corners and the cupid bow is very well applied. And the packaging, so this is a plastic case, so anti-breakage, and plus transparent, so you can see exactly which color you're taking. The color, number and the name is also mentioned at the bottom. However, to remember the expiry date, you will have to retain the cardboard box. So yeah. So the 4 shades I have here is, the first one is Rust Lust in the number 05. Second one is 03 Tan Fan. The third one is 30 Peony Genie, and the 5th one is 25 Very Mulberry. Now Peony Genie, the number 30, has failed me completely. It was my fault that I made a hasty decision to buy it, and so yeah, it was my fault. However, I will be somehow utilizing it. So yeah. Into the main swatches, let's talk a little about this liquid sample. This is in the shade 07. It is called as a Rethink Pink, and this shade is what I have on my lips right now. So let the music begin and let the swatches be done. To check out my previous video, it's right here, and to subscribe to my channel, which I would love you to do, is right here, the subscription button. Until next Tuesday, bye bye.